This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Baloo, you're on my tripod. This guy's finally forgiving us for having a baby. He was very mad for 2 months. I wasn't gonna film today. I really wasn't. Mama is tired. I don't sleep no more, but I miss it so bad. The reason I'm filming is because big things are happening today. I'm looking at a very different backyard. We decided to really get chugging along with the backyard renovation. I spoke about it a lot in this video, and now we're finally going to get moving because our goal is to get all ready for spring and summer. We can really enjoy the backyard. Also, little Bub is gonna want to start crawling around semi-soon, and I would love to have some nice grass back there and get rid of the black widows and brown recluses. We have so many spiders in our backyard. It is very scary. I found this red dot on my boob, on my left boob. It looked like a big pimple, but didn't go away. And I was like, this is like a weird breastfeeding thing. Texting my lactation consultant, texting my midwife, and everyone's like, Hannah, that's a spider bite. So a spider had crawled down my shirt and bit my boob. Super fun times. Check it out. We've got workers in the backyard right now. We had these 3 oaks in the yard that I don't know how old they were. 2 were back there, and they're gone. They're totally gone. And I asked them to trim this one because we're gonna trim it about once a year so we get lots of sun. Our deck is full of sunshine now. It was totally covered in shade before. A few reasons for this big change. We needed to get some room for some trees that we want to put in the back. I want to put one tree in the back corner where those oaks were. I think I want to put a fig tree back there. I want to put some sort of fruit tree. And we really needed more sunshine in our yard to grow grass, because if you don't have sun, you don't grow grass. Are you so excited, Eric? He's excited, trust me. He's just not a camera person. I am going to chop up some lunch. Not quite ready to eat lunch, but you know, I like to prep things in the pockets of time that I have. That is... You almost fell. That has been what seems to work for me, is just getting things chopped while Bubba is sleeping or happy. And he is sleeping right now, so I'm going to chop some purple sweet potatoes. But first I want to say a huge thank you to everyone in the YouTube comments in my last video, or 2 videos ago, whenever that was. You guys were just so supportive and helpful. Your comments really lift me up. Like, it's so nice to know there are so many moms out there who are like, Hannah, I get it, it's hard. It's just, there's something about knowing other people are tired too. Wow, I'm gonna have to adjust all this new sun in my kitchen. Chopping will commence later. Bubba is awake. You don't fit on me anymore, Bub. You're just too long. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Ah. It's afternoon and I haven't brushed my teeth yet. Holy moly guacamole, it is bright. It's like a summer day out here. Wow, it just feels different. Holy moly, let's check it out. First of all, this tree is so pretty. I love the way it's placed. It's right in the center. It looks gorgeous. Our plan is to have a seating area with a gas fire pit underneath. This is a bunch of junk from the previous owners we have yet to get rid of. But if you can see here, these oaks are planted so close to one another that, I don't know, I'm not a tree expert, but it just doesn't make a lot of sense to have both of them back here. I want to take out one, maybe both, because I would love to have a fig tree back here. Oh my gosh, it's gone. The stumps are gone. It's just all gone. Look at that. That is an avocado tree. Holy hell. We need to get this all cleaned up. It would be amazing if we could do our plan and get a greenhouse back here. But yeah, so there are just spiders everywhere and we really need to get it all cleaned up. Guys, it's just so bright. It's good. We need that sun. Wow, looks so different. You guys, I just got an email and I officially am going to work with one of my dream sponsors. I can't tell you what it is yet, but I'm jazzed. I look so haggard. I'm wondering if I brush my hair, if things will look a little... Let's try. Oh no. Oh, it looks worse. Oh, this is not good. I am just gonna heat up some beans that I made yesterday. I made a big batch of beans because I'm always like food prepping in pockets of time, like I said. Alright, while I'm waiting for the rest of my lunch to finish cooking, I'm going to have my pre-lunch, which is just veggies and hummus. Oh my gosh, Hannah, get yourself together. I am not going to work while I eat. I typically try to just like fill every waking moment with work or productivity or chores or something, and I'm gonna try to like take care of myself, do things for myself every day. I'm gonna read a book. I started this book when I was pregnant. Have not opened it since. Eric asked me if I was about to cry. I said nope, just really tired. We've got dinner going. We've got brown rice, tofu that I completely ruined, don't look. The sweet orange sauce, what's it called? Healthy orange sauce from Frommy Bowls book, Caitlin Shoemaker. I'll put it right here. And this is my dinner. It looks so delicious. Also, Eric and I just realized that green onion is so good on top of dishes like this. We used to do like just a sprinkle, but now we're doing like large handfuls because we realized how good is it.
Why not?
This video is brought to you by Squarespace, my personal favorite website building platform. Let's be honest, if you exist in this century, you likely need your own website, whether you are a creator, an artist, a business owner, or someone who needs to showcase their CV. Squarespace has beautifully designed templates and a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for you to build your very own website that looks like it was designed by a professional. They also have 24/7 customer support that I have used many times and can honestly say that I feel genuinely supported as a customer by real humans on the other end. Go to squarespace.com/Hannah McNeely for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase and get started building your website today.